KAM Drone Services. We were created over a year ago. We do aerial photography and we do videos for all sorts of different things. Basically, we are focused on doing real estate photography and videos and productions for marketing for any real estate agent. We are trying to work with insurance companies at this time and get some insurance claims, either doing aerial photography or videos on any type of storm damage for insurance companies. You can contact me at kamdroneservices@yahoo.com or 662-501-9855. Let us do your aerial photography.